Good morning, kindergarten. This is Ms. Preston. This is our math lesson for Monday, April 27th. Today we are going to do more subtraction. So today we're on to subtraction. We will be doing subtraction by breaking up the whole. So we're going to be taking away, breaking apart certain objects from the whole today. Our assignment today is lesson 34 problem set. For today, you will need your composition book, a pencil, and your lesson 34 problem set. At the end of the video, we will do one problem together before you do your problem set on your own. Okay, so let's go get started with our first practice. We're going to go back and do our number practice. So please open up your composition book to your number practice page. You will put our date for today right under where you did it last time. So you will write 4-27-20. We're almost on to our new month. This will change to a 5. We have April 27th, 2020. So go ahead, set that up. And then we're going to go through say our numbers, and then you will practice writing our numbers. All right, let's go ahead and start saying our numbers 0 through 20. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Today, I want us to go a little farther and practice going to 30. Okay, so how about right now we're going to start at 20 and we're going to count on all the way to 30. You ready? 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Great job. So we're going to continue to get higher with those number practice so that we can get really strong on saying our numbers 0 through eventually 100. Okay, so take a few minutes, please practice your number, writing your number 0 through 20. You can pause this video, come back when you're all set. All right, guys, welcome back. Now we're going to move on to our subtraction for today. Right now, I'm just going to ask you some questions, and you're going to answer without putting anything into your composition. Okay, so we have dots on our screen right now. We have different amounts here, here, and here. Go ahead with me and count how many dots we have in this first line. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 dots. So we have 7 dots. If I put this box over 2 dots, how many dots do I have now? Good. Did you say 5? I had 7. I took away 2 blocks and now I have 5. So we would say this: 7 minus 2 equals 5. Please repeat that for me. 7 minus 2 equals 5. Great job. We took away. Remember, take away. When we do subtraction, we're always taking away from our total. Okay, let's hop on down to our next line. Count with me how many dots we have here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dots. I am going to take away 2 dots. How many dots do I have left? 3 dots. So tell me how we would say this for our subtraction number sentence. Good. 5 minus 2 equals 3. I had 5. I took away 2, and that left me with 3 red dots. So 5 minus 2 equals 3. Please repeat that sentence for me. Good. 5 minus 2 equals 3. All right, let's do our last line. Count with me how many dots we have here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I have 3 dots. I'm going to take away 2 dots. What is that? What are we left with? 1 dot. So please tell me what our number sentence is for this problem. Good. 3 minus 2 equals 1. 3 take away 2 is 1. Good. Repeat this sentence for me. 3 minus 2 equals 1. Great job, guys. Okay. So we're going to hop on over to our problem today. In your composition book, please go to a brand new page and you're going to write subtraction at the top. subtraction. So today we are focusing on subtraction. Specifically, we are focusing on taking away, breaking apart objects from our whole. And we're going to continue to practice our number bond and our number sentences. Because tomorrow, in our lesson tomorrow, we're going to start something new. And I want to make sure we are very solid and very secure on number sentences and number bonds. Okay, so I have a certain amount of blocks up here. We are going to practice taking away to figure out what we are left with. Remember, when we are doing subtraction, we are always taking away from our total. Okay, so go ahead with me and count up how many blocks we have altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I know my total is what number? My total is 10. So I know that we are working with a number 10. So I'm going to put this right up here so that we can see that we're working with a number 10. I have 10 blocks. We are going to work on taking away from that 10 to figure out what we are left with. So please go ahead and set up problem number 1. Right below, you are going to write 1 with a dot, just like this. 1 dot. Then you will set up your number sentence. So please make a line, minus, line, equals, and our mystery number. Okay, and then next to that, please make your number bond. Circle with 2 other circles underneath. Remind me, I want to go through our number bond so that I know that we all know where our numbers go. Remind me again, what number always goes in this circle? Our total, the largest number in our problem. So in our problem, right away, we know what is our total. What do we know our total is right away? We know our total is 10. So I can go ahead, we all can go ahead and just put 10 right into our number bond because we know that this is our total. So in problem number 1, please put 10 in the circle by itself in your number bond. All right, guys. So my problem today, these are blocks here, but today these are going to be ice creams. Okay, so my blue blocks here are ice cream. Okay, so I have 10 ice creams. I want to give away some ice creams. I want to take them away and give them to some of my friends. So I'm going to give away 2 ice creams to my friends. So go ahead and count with me as I take away 2 ice creams. 1, 2. So I had 10 ice creams, but then I wanted to give 2 of those ice creams away to my friends. So now I have my 2 parts. I have this part right here and this part right here. Please tell me what we need to do next in this problem. Good, we need to figure out how many ice creams are in each part. So let's go ahead and start with part number 1, this longer one up here. Tell me this, answer this for me. Is part number 1 going to be larger or smaller than our total? Can this number be larger or smaller than our total? Good, it needs to be smaller than our total. No number in this problem will come above 10. It has to be less than 10. So let's count with our together how many ice creams are in part number 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part number 1, I have 8 ice creams. Good. So please tell me where I can put my number 8. Good. I am going to put my number 8 right into my number bond. Can my number 8 go over here? Yep. Can my number 8 go here? Yes, it can. Remember, it can go in either place because those are both for the parts. Okay, I counted up my first part. Please tell me what I need to do next. Good, I need to count up my second part. So let's go ahead and count together how many I have in part number 2. 1, 2. Great, I have 2 ice creams in part number 2. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my number 2 in my number bond. Please make sure you are doing this in your composition book as we do it on the screen. Okay, so this is saying that in my number bond that 10 is broken up into 8 and 2. Before we do our number sentence, I'm just going to tell you the problem again so that we continue to know that subtraction means take away. I had 10 ice creams all together. I wanted to give 2 of my ice creams to my friends. So I took 2 ice creams away, and that left me with 8 ice creams. So please go ahead and fill out your number bond, and then we will fill it out together. Okay, great job, guys. So I know in my first spot, what always will go in my first spot in subtraction? Good, my total. My total number will always go in that first spot for my subtraction problems. That's because that is my total. That is the largest number. I am taking away from my total. All right, 10 minus what number? 2. Great, because I took away 2 ice creams. 10 minus 2 equals, and what did that leave me with? 8 ice creams left. Great job. So we have our problem. It says, our number sentence says 10 minus 2 equals 8. Please repeat that for me. Good. 10 minus 2 equals 8. Also saying that 10 take away 2 is 8. Remember, with subtraction, we always are taking away. So 10 minus 2 equals 8. Great job. We are going to hop on over to our number problem, our problem set. I'm going to take you through one of our problems today for our problem set. One, so that you know which problem set you are completing today, and just so that I can help you with this first one, so you know how to complete the other problems in this one. A reminder, you do not need to complete both pages. You need to complete page number 1, and page number 2 will be extra practice. So I highly recommend completing page number 2, but page number 1 is what is required. Okay, so let's take a look at our first problem. This says, fill in the number sentences and number bonds. So please make sure you have your problem set in front of you and you are looking at this first problem with me. Okay. This story says there are 9 babies playing. I have my 9 babies playing here. 2 crawl away. How many babies are left? Okay, so I had my 9 babies playing. 2 over here are crawling away. That means, remember in our problems, that means take away. So we would be taking away these 2 that are crawling away. There are 9 babies playing, 2 crawl away. How many babies are left? Please tell me what we need to do to answer this problem. Good, we need to figure out how many were left. We already have 9 and 2 filled in our number bond and our number sentence. My total was 9. I took 2 away. And now we need to figure out what we are left with. How can I figure that out? How can I figure out how many babies I am left with that are still playing? Good, I can count up these babies right here because these are the babies that are still playing. Okay, so go ahead with me, count up how many babies are left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7 babies that are left. 7 babies are still playing. So I know 9 minus 2 equals 7. So go ahead and fill out on our mystery line number 7. Where else do I need to put the number 7? Good, in our number bond right over here. 9 is broken up into 7 and 2. Say this number sentence with me. 9 minus 2 equals 7. 9 take away 2 is 7. Remember, when the minus sign also means take away. The equal sign also means is. So it also means when you say the word is. 9 minus 2 equals 7. Okay, so today we practiced with taking away, breaking apart our number from our total number. So you will go ahead and you will complete the rest of this sheet. And you can do the bottom part for some extra practice if you'd like. So you will go ahead and you'll complete the second and the third problem. And then if you like, you can come down to the second part for extra practice. A great job today, guys. Please submit this to your portfolio when you are all set, and I'll see you for our lesson tomorrow.